The idea is pretty simple. What we want to do is be able to add something like this where you have green for OK, yellow for moderate, and red for not OK as colors to a chart. How do you do this in Splunk? There's only two things you really need to do. You need to first use the chart command to plot the data, and I'll show you an example of how to do that. And then you use Simple XML to name the colors for each field. So here's an example of that using the traffic app, where we use the chart command to actually plot the data, and then use Simple XML to write colors for it. So if you want to see this in Splunk, here's what it looks like. This is the traffic app. And how do we get these red, green, and yellow colors? Let's look at the results first. What we have is a search that uses the chart command. And all I'm doing is doing a count of a certain type over a field called city by a certain type. So that's how we're getting the numbers. This is a very simple chart command that you learned in the tutorial for Splunk. Now how do you get to the colors? Let me click on Manager. Then go to User Interfaces. Then click on My Views to get to my dashboard. And this is the dashboard for the traffic app. So if you look, the very first search is our search that does the count of type over city by type. And then you'll see how I get to do the colors. First, we figure out the label for each one. So I have severe, moderate, and minor. And then we add another field called charting series colors, which is another option. And here we have the colors of red, yellow, and green, written in hexadecimal. So that's it. Hope you can use this in your searches. Thanks.